nother level. Girl, he only fucked your whole level. Down.
Getting anything you want. All you gotta do is say, oh.
A whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked your whole level. Down.
Getting anything you want. All you gotta do is say, oh. Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing? Good so far. Alright, nothing new. Cool. You know, I don't know if you guys had any pie already, but that is here. That is some tasty stuff that's from the big sale. Sorry if you feel funny, I feel fun, I guess I'm oh boy, that means I win. I get Chico. Oh God, what did anyone tell you? Oh my God, my insides are on fire. Please, come on. Yeah, I'm scared. Come on, get the phone. Call my mom. Lois, get in here. Okay. I need you to hold my hand.
Number 1. The Archmage. Archmage. He kills children and eats them. This game, Rogue Lineage, I won't be able to take this anymore. I bought this game a month ago looking for some fun, but I never knew it would backfire so bad. Just 2 weeks ago, during a gank at Orzfall, I heard a knock at my window. I quickly looked back, and I saw a slim finger quickly go out of sight. It was so unbelievable that I merely dismissed it as a hallucination. Still, an uncomfortable feeling resided in the back of my mind. 5 days ago, I was lying, not telling the truth, in my bed. And I heard nails scraping on the floors just next door. My family was out on vacation for a week, so I was alone at home. And yesterday I saw it on my porch. I couldn't believe what I saw at first. By the way, I am a child. The disordered thoughts at the back of my mind grew more intense by the second. It would stay that way, even after I looked away and the figure disappeared. Life continued as usual for the remainder of the 5 days. My porch light seemed dimmer than usual, and the thoughts coalesced into 2 words: Rogue Lineage. Seeming to stretch and flow to fit every crack of my mind and waking thoughts, it seemed near impossible to avoid the thought of it. On the 7th night after I saw it, the Smile Howler. Ferdinand was a hunter strolling tundra and snail, constantly hunting howler fangs for a living. He hunted so many howlers that every day there would be less and less to kill. One day, when all of the other howlers were hunted to extinction, there was a lone howler sitting in the middle of the forest late at night. It had an ominous glow to it, contrary to the darkness around it. When Ferdinand tried to approach, the dog glanced at him with a morbid face. Immediately, his skin started peeling off almost instantaneously. His ears started ringing and bleeding heavily. Finally, Number 3. Glory Hero drowned. Glory Hero was farming deep pit as usual when he found a crimson red evil amulet laying in the middle. It's evil. And when he picked it up, it was not in his inventory. All of a sudden, he started gaining heat in the tundra. When he gave it to Snail, the obelisk was stained with blood. There he thought he saw Alana's amulet sitting on the snail trinket spawn. But when he tried to pick it up, it turned into a scroll of Trahir. Bad things started happening in more intensity, like multiple shinobis with Pontus attacking him at all times. Ashen Freshies appearing every time he was near a cliff to knock him off. And finally, finding nothing but red goblets everywhere. Eventually, it escalated to the point where he got banned for corner glitching, and he didn't clip it. And then he took a walk in real life in order to relieve stress. And then he fell into a bottomless lake and drowned.